Series 7 digital force gauge. Mark 10 force gauges are used by engineers, researchers, and quality control professionals in virtually every industry around the world to assess and ensure product quality. From medical devices to automotive components, from packaging materials to consumer products, Mark 10 force gauges are up to the task. The Series 7 force gauge is an advanced solution for tension and compression force measurement with capacities up to 500 pounds of force or 2,500 newtons. The force gauge is supplied in a cushioned carrying case with certificate of calibration, AC adapter, USB output cable, and a set of common attachments. The threaded load cell shaft is used to attach grips and fixtures. Push and pull on the shaft to display the live compression or tension force in real-time mode. In peak mode, the display freezes when the peak force has been reached. Regardless of the mode, the tension and compression peaks are always shown in the upper right corner of the display. Upper and lower set points, shown in the upper left corner, may be configured for pass-fail testing. The force gauge is overload protected to 150% of its capacity. For visual convenience, the load bar at the bottom of the display shows when an overload is imminent. 5 selectable units of measurement may be used, along with coefficient of friction. A user configurable unit is available for special applications such as converting force into pressure or torque. The gauge may be powered by an internal rechargeable battery or AC adapter. Use the force gauge handheld or mount to a test stand for more controlled testing. Match the hole in the rear of the housing with the dowel pin located on the test stand's mounting plate. To accommodate handheld or test stand mounting, the orientation of the load cell shaft may be flipped while the keypad and display remain upright. To reverse the orientation, separate the 2 halves of the housing, reverse, and reassemble. Some common test stand-based applications include peel testing, wire crimp pull testing, spring testing, tensile testing, and more. Up to 5,000 data points may be saved. Data may be viewed in memory and later downloaded to a PC. Continuous data capture enables the recording of quick or long-duration events at a variable frequency of up to 14,000 data points per second. Several types of output are possible, including USB, RS-232, Mitutoyo, analog, and set-point outputs. The included Measure Light data collection software tabulates data and allows for export to Excel. The more advanced measure gauge graphs data, calculates statistics, generates reports, and performs other functions. To automate testing, the break detection feature can perform several functions upon sample break. Stop a motorized test stand, save the peak reading, output the peak reading, and zero the display. A foot switch may be used to perform up to 3 functions, such as saving and outputting data for improved testing efficiency and ergonomics. The external trigger function is useful in measuring the force at which an electrical contact is made, such as switch testing. For certain peel tests and other applications, averaging mode calculates the average force over a specified period of time. Calibration is easily done utilizing dead weights or reference load cells. The user may select up to 10 data points in each measuring direction and may specify the exact weights of each data point in any supported unit of measurement. Password protect the menu, individual keys, and calibration to prevent unauthorized changes.